Hi guys. Hey. We're here with Jake. We're gonna do Christmas crafts. Today we're gonna do a Santa hat out of paper plates. Right. So Jake, to start off with, right, we're gonna put his scissors in. We're going to cut round like so, yeah? So can you carry on doing that while I get everything we need? This is going to be Santa with a bit of a difference. We've got some nice PVA glue here. Right, so this is the part that we're going to use. Not that part. Right. We're using this part. This is going to be the face. Look at that. Right, so how we're going to do this is, what I need you to start with, I need you to put some good, nice little amount of glue all the way around there, half the way up. So from that line to that line. Yeah? Ruby's trying to distract everybody here. So now what we've got is just the normal cheap napkins you get. Just some normal cheap paper napkins. Cheap ones, yeah, Rubes. Not the ones you'd buy, because you'd buy expensive ones. That's it, get a good amount on. Good amount on.
So like a lot?
Yes, let me just put this on like this. But just put a good squirt on. Yeah? Then you use your pasting trowel to do it. Only halfway, not all the way around.
Okay.
Yeah? That's it. Then what we're going to do is, we're going to go around and we're going to stick this on here. Can you guess what this is going to be?
Comment down below.
Can you guess what that is going to be?
Yeah, but everybody else has to.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So get it a bit more up here. Well done. That's it, get it up there. By the way guys, this is one I've just made up on just now. As yet, yeah. Nadine on the camera is absolutely nodding her head, saying yes we do. That's it, stick another one out. That's it, get it stuck down. Well, let's have a look how we're looking. Ho ho ho!
Oh gosh.
Right. So let's try and get a bit more on.
Okay.
Yeah?
Oh, that didn't even.
Getting a bit more on because Santa's obviously really white, isn't it? Got really white hair. Oh, we'll put some of this on. So let's get it all the way around. Right, so that's it. So you get this, open it up, so it's like that, then scrumple it with your hands. That's it.
Then do it like that. So right there.
That's it, just like that, yeah. Like that, just doing it on. And that's it. So as we get further to the top, give it tighter. Yeah, when we get further to the top, get it tighter. Because this is going to be like the air. Yeah? That's it. One little one in there. Right, let's have a look how we're looking.
I feel like I look. Ho, ho, ho! Subscribe! I feel like I look more like a lion than Santa.
So we need some more for the beard.
Yeah, make it a bit bigger.
Look, it's
Bit
long,
longer.
beautiful hair. Wow! Oh, baby.
That's it. Try and get on the glue bit just there where you can see I put the glue. That's it, get it stuck on. You need to make the beard nice and big, so don't put this as tight. Just push this on, leave it a little bit quite big, yeah? Let's make the beard bigger, so as you know Santa's got a big beard.
I have to.
Yeah? That's it. So you carry on with this. Let's get a bit more glue on. Think.
Not work.
That's it.
Wow.
It's time for your shower.
Jake. Look here. Get this on.
Thank you.
That's it. Keep building that beard up. Yeah? Keep building that beard up. What's happened?
Glue my finger.
Oh.
Just like the worst thing.
Right, let me give you the scissors. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to do Santa's hat. So all I'm going to do is square the hat off. Just there.
Taylor.
And in there. And then we'll get the next plate. And we do this one to a point.
Oh, that looks so cool. A bun. Really nice bun here.
That's it.
Yes, some.
So now what we do is we've got to glue these two together.
That looks like an elf hat. Oh, it's meant to be Santa, but
It's meant to be Santa.
who cares? I think that works. Woo!
Right, let's get this one glued just here. So as you can see, just gluing this together, you can see it's taking shape.
Glued and the glue is really cold.
Yeah, so we'll leave that to
It's
glue. We'll leave that
cold.
to set. Now, we'll be back in a few minutes. Let's just tidy this rubbish up.
Yeah, no problem. You could either use red paint or red tissue paper to, you know, add some colour on your hat.
That's it. We'll get these bits ripped up. If we need a bit more glue on, then we can put some more on. Just fill all the spaces in. Needs to be nice and big still. Don't do it too tight, yeah? Not like whacking your bum. You don't want a little bit, you want to make it still quite big. That's it. That's it, now let's get it stuck down. If we need to apply a bit more glue on the edges, we can do. There we go. So I think we need a bit more just around here.
Mm-hmm.
And the bottoms here, we probably need some, don't we? And rip round all that. What we're going to do is, we're going to make Santa, because it's Christmas colours, we're going to make it red and green. Here we go. So now we're using green one now. So let's do the same thing, but with the green. This could even be an elf.
A hairy elf.
An elf with Santa beard. You know what it is? An elf that wants to be Santa. It could be a movie, that.
Oh yeah.
The elf that wanted to be Santa. Yeah, we'll do exactly the same. Nice and big again. That's it, need a bit more just here. That's it, yeah, get in there, get in there. And what we'll do is, bit in this bit here. Now, we are making the best Santa hat you've ever seen. So what we're going to put is a bit of gold in it as well. Right, so we've got a bit of gold right there on the Santa.
Trim this.
Well, let's just get it in. We need to make Santa hat big. This Santa hat's got a lot of bling in this Santa hat.
Bling.
Look at that, eh?
Bling.
And there we go. So that's the Santa hat so far. And now we've got to make the Santa hat there. Jake, can you just sit down? And then we'll just sit down. So this is.
Like a furry eye.
There we go. Ho, ho, ho. Right, so next we're going to do is join both these hats together. Alright guys, right, we're going to connect our hat. We've named this hat now because it looks a bit like an elf. It looks a bit like Santa, so we call it Sant-elf. So we're going to, this is a new creation, a Sant-elf. We are going to connect the hat to the Santa beard. Jake, get stapling. Yeah. That's it, cool. That's one. Yeah?
Mhm.
Get one more. Oh. Get really in here. Two, just a second. Need to get a lot in here. Right. So we have got, let's give it a test run. What? It holds up, it holds up. Jake, come on. Jake is the first ever Sant-elf. Come on, Sant-elf. Sant-elf, Ruby, Sant-elf. Alright guys, the first ever Sant-elf family. We're here, half Santa, half elf.